Learning is a treasure that follows its owner everywhere. Today I'm going to share the different types of pronouns with example. So here are these. Number 1. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns replace nouns that refer to people or animals. Examples: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Number 2. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show ownership or possession. Examples: mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Number 3. Reflective pronouns. These pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence. Examples: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, themselves. Number 4. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point out specific people or things. Examples: this, that, these, those. Number 5. Interrogative pronouns. These pronouns used to ask questions. Examples: who, what, which, whom, whose. Number 6. Indefinite pronouns. These pronouns refer to non specific people or things. Examples: someone, something, anyone, anything, nobody, nothing. Number 7. Reciprocal pronouns. These pronouns express mutual actions or relationships. Examples: each other, one another. Number 8. Distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns refer to individual members of a group. Examples: each, every, either, either, neither. Number 9. Impersonal pronouns. Impersonal pronouns refer to do not refer to a specific person or thing. Examples: it used for weather or time. One used for an unspecified person. Remember, some pronouns can function as more than one type depending on the context. Here are some examples of pronouns that can function as more than one type depending on the context. It, impersonal pronoun. It is raining, referring to the weather. Personal pronoun. It, the cat is sleeping, referring to a specific animal. 1. Impersonal pronoun. One must try hard to success, referring to an unspecified person. Distributive pronoun. One by one, the students presented their projects, referring to individual members of a group. Number 3. You. Personal pronouns. You. The individual are going to love this new restaurant, addressing a specific person. These pronouns can function as different types depending on the context, showing how language can be flexible and adaptable.